When you think of Pure Michigan, the possibilities are endless. There's so much natural beauty in our state, so many sights to see, so many white sandy beaches to go to, but there's only one spot in the state of Michigan that you can smell Kellogg's Fruit Loops as you step out the door, or Post Waffle Crisp. We're in the heart of the cereal city, getting ready to check out the Cereal History Exhibit. Located right in the heart of downtown Battle Creek, next door to the McCamley Plaza, you won't be able to miss it, the white building and the big blue roof. But if you still can't find it, these familiar characters might be able to help you, and Tony will tell you all you need to know about the cereal industry.
Once inside, it doesn't take long before priceless breakfast table memories come flooding back. The sweet taste of Frosted Flakes, the timeless grape nuts, the unique sound of Snap, Crackle, and Pop, and dozens of cereal boxes on the wall. Doesn't matter if you prefer Kellogg's or Post, you're sure to find something familiar. Kimber Thompson, marketing manager at the Visitors Bureau, says those memories can often be traced back to childhood.
We have a lot of visitors that come here and visit or call us that remember it from their youth. They remember saving up cereal box tops and sending them in for the premium prizes and sending them to Battle Creek.
And those premium prizes are on display at the museum as well. Figurines, model cars and trucks, and even stuffed animals. But while the toys are fun, there's one section that Kimber says is a bit more popular with those young and old.
The toys are fun, but we have a television that plays old commercials, like vintage commercials, and the kids gravitate towards that. And it's really fun to sit and watch the commercials the way that they used to be versus the way they are today. There are so many commercials that would never air today that were just so popular way back, and the kids love to sit there and watch them. So that combined with the timeline of how and when and why cereal was invented, people like to read those timelines too.
And to make your visit complete at the Cereal History Exhibit, be sure to stop next door to the Battle Creek Welcome Center and take a selfie with Tony, or maybe pick up a souvenir or two. As he'll tell you, they're all great.